But now all you party people today. Okay, today my video is gonna be about me. I know what you guys are always talking about. Why is it always about you? You're not famous or anything like that. I am going to be. Stop hating. Do you understand me? Oh my god. I'm hideous. I'm disgusting. I'm a disgrace. Okay. I want to ask a favor for you guys. Shh. Do not tell anyone about this secret, or I will be watching you. Okay, so guys, today this video is going to be about, of course, Mom. So today, guys, this video is going to be about, again, Mom. You guys, I haven't been getting a lot of subscribers. I know what you're saying. Subscribers just don't come and fall out trees. I know, exactly. So I need you guys to really subscribe to me. I want to do live streaming. That was my big hope and dream. If you guys can make that come true, I will really appreciate it. As you can tell, I got bigger. Hopefully. I got bigger. I am now 15. I know what you guys say. You're 15. Yes, I am 15. And I have my driver's license. You want to see? Everything. I get ready. So, everybody knows I'm going to get trouble. But, give me a second. And I am back. Okay, yeah, so I want to do live streaming, and obviously I can't because I only have I know what you guys are saying. You are not Asian, you are black. Racist. I am black. I am being so racist right now. But guys, yeah, today's video is about me. As I can tell again, I want to go be YouTube famous, as you guys can already tell, and do live streaming. Bye guys, love you.